Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing coloring that require no Instagram. So they are all Android friendly. There's actually only two of them, but both of them are Android friendly. But so the first one is kind of like a 2020 summer vibe coloring, and the second one is like a kid core coloring. So none of these colorings are mine, but they're both like very popular. So I don't really have like a specific person you could give credits to. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So for the first one, we're going to go into Prequel, and I'll just put the settings up on the screen as I do every time. So here is the first one. It's almost done. We're just going to go on to CapCut and add Sharpen, and that is basically it for the first coloring. And because it is without like things you wouldn't find on an Android, there is also no ultralight or like things like that. So it's a very, very simple coloring. And now we're just going to go on to CapCut to add Sharpen. And there you have it. That is it for the first like kid core coloring. Now I'm going to move on to the second one. So for the second one, what we're going to do is, again, it's going to start off with Prequel. So I'm going to go ahead and just go on to Prequel. So for this one, again, I'm going to put the settings up on the screen. So let's get started. And then you're going to go ahead and save it from here, and it's almost done. We just need to add Sharpen to this once again. And again, like, it's a very, very small or like quick coloring, so I hope that that isn't a problem. I don't think that should be a problem, but I'm just going to add Sharpen, and then we are done with both of the colorings. And there we go. So now I'm just going to show you guys both of the colorings, and then I guess that's it, because these are the two colorings for this video. So here's the first one, the kid core one, and here's the second like 2020 vibe one. You know, it really reminds me of the 2020 fan pages. But anyways, that is it for this video. So if you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!